You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from science, make sure to stay tuned. Biology, white blood cells, leukocyte. Leukocyte. Now, sometimes, especially in the UK, it may also be pronounced as leukocyte, but it's generally, if you go with the pronunciation leukocyte or leukocytes, the plural, you'll be safe. How to pronounce in English? Leukocyte. English pronunciation, leukocyte. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.